Gaining access to the filter compartment of a SECOH pump is a very simple process. Simply undo the single Phillips screw located centrally on the top cover and pull firmly up on the cover. It might take a bit of pulling as they are firmly clipped down, but once up, the filter compartment is visible. Pull out the filter. It's a good idea to do this once every 3 months or so. The filter should be dry, and the only dirt on it should therefore be dry dust, or maybe a spider or two. If there are any signs of honey-like residue, this is a sure sign of foul air getting into the pump, and this needs to be investigated quickly, as foul air will corrode the internal electrics and will wreck your pump. Damage caused by foul air or flooding isn't covered by the warranties, so it's best to fix the cause of the problem as fast as you can. A few tips here. Do you notice the 2 inlet holes? Because the filter is square, you can extend its life by rotating it 90 degrees. To place the clean corners over the inlet holes, it can be washed in soapy water, but ensure it's bone dry. Maybe leave overnight in the airing cupboard before reinstalling it. It should be really replaced every 12 to 18 months.